Here we are, Eaton saddle. We're going to go to Switzer today, do some trail work. So we're going to drop down into Bear Canyon. Looks like a nice, cool day. Good day for it. We got some scouts with us today. All right.
That should be. Andy, will you carry the Pulaski? I want the scouts to mostly be using the loppers and maybe the cloud. And we'll get you started on that. So everybody want to just bring it in? That's the main goal today, is to fight.
All right. Gonna be a gorgeous day. Oh, be still my heart. Gorgeous. So close to LA.
Boom. The old tunnel. Who's going to get in the picture? Who's way back there? All right. Good. Smiles.
Okay, a little trail junction that went off to the left is up to Mount Low.
Guys, you know we need a sign here, right?
And this is the San Gabriel, Mount San
We need a
Gabriel.
sign there.
Anyway, we're going to go straight down this road, continuing the road. So here we are, dropping down this road, and there's our canyon. Woohoo!
Rain, little wind. Yeah.
Little everything. The beginning of our winter.
It's almost going to snow.
Yep.
Good deal.
Okay, so the road makes a hard left, but we keep going straight to this little plateau here, and a few hundred feet, and there's the beginnings of our trail down to Bear Canyon. All right, Tom Sloan saddle, and what is going on here? Oh, there's, what's that? Dawn Mine, Sunset Ridge, parking. Mount Low, 2 miles. Mount Low Road, 1.2 miles. Good to go.
You're confused because the bridge is before you.
Okay, hey, ooh, what's this? Another one. Yep, and that's where we're going. All right, here's our first little challenge. Okay, work, work, work.
That one you can't put in, it's the other one. You gotta use that one, right?
This one, yeah.
Yeah.
Too sharp like
That one is not, it's too wide. Yeah, it's not
too tapered.
Yeah, use, yeah.
So you're gonna slip the line underneath that?
Yeah.
Oh, so fine. Shit, where?
Hold it. Yeah, you're caught on your bar here.
Whoa, love that snoring sound.
Yeah, it's off. Yeah. Now this one should be without any body.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
More gas.
Okay. Beautiful trail camp. Lots of shade, water in the creek. We're good. All right, here we are. The cataract, lunch spot, and what's this? Swimming hole.
We used to die from right there.
We used to die from right there.
You'd start there and get used to it because you have to flatten out. You'd be able to do it.
That's pretty sweet. Oh my goodness.
You'd come in and then...
Is that another pool down there?
Not really.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
So is this year round?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It gets a little tricky.
Okay, look at this. Lovely pool,
Yeah.
little
Bigger now, it's a little way.
falls, little secondary basin. Wow, nice.
One time I saw the water.
Beautiful spot. So 5 minutes uphill, make a left instead of a right into Bear Canyon, you get Switzer Falls. All right, Switzer Falls. Yeah.